Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to solve the question number 6, paper 33, November 2019. The complex number with modulus 1 and argument third express W in the form of x plus I1. In general, W is equal to R cosine theta plus I sine theta. So R is 1 cosine theta third pi plus I sine third pi. Then find the values of each will be cosine third pi and sine third pi. Well, third pi will be cosine 60. Cosine 60 is 1 over 2. And I sine 60 will be root 3 over 2. So this is the final answer, simplified as asked to write it in the form of x plus I. For part B, the complex number W, the complex number U, the complex number V given by first, and V is 2U. The modulus of V first, this is U. I will try now to get the modulus of U and the argument of U. For the modulus of U is square root of x squared plus y squared. So the square root of 1 plus 2 squared will be 4. So the answer is square root of 5. Argument of U will be tan minus 1, y over x will be 2 over 1. So the exact value will be tan minus 1 of 2. He asked to get the complex number V. It's a double. The modulus is double. So V, its modulus is double of U will be root 5, will be 2 root 5. And the argument of V is argument of U, which is found tan minus 1 of 2 plus third pi plus third pi. Now, this is the value for you. Sketch in the Argand diagram U and V. How to sketch in the Argand diagram U and V? By sketching the Argand diagram U and V. The first U is 1 and its argument is, for U, root 5 and tan minus 1. Let's say this is U, this length is root 5, and this argument is tan minus 1 for 2. For the complex V, its angle is tan minus 1 plus third pi. So let's say it will be like this. This one will be third pi, and try to show the length that its double will be 2 root 5. Sketch in the Argand diagram to show that the points of U, this represents U and this represents V. Part 3, explain why V can be expressed as 2UW. V is how to show that in V equals 2UW. First, what is the modulus of V and what is the argument of V? And what is the modulus of 2UW and what is the argument of 2UW to show that they are same or not? For the modulus of V is 2 root 5. And modulus of U is root 5. And the modulus of W given is 1, will be 1 times 1 and U, so it will be same, 2 root 5. So both have same modulus. For the argument of V is yes, this is the argument of V. Argument of V is third pi plus tan minus 1 for 2. What is the argument of 2UW? If you remember, for multiplication, we add the argument. So it's a 2. Argument of U given up, it's a third pi, and argument of W, it's a tan minus 1. Sorry, for W, it's a third pi, and for U, it's given, it's 10 minus 1 for 2. So it's 2 times third pi, so also will be same. Will be double. So now, give your answer. He asked to get the value of V. So the complex number V now, V is 2UW. He asked to write it in algebraic form. So 2U given in algebraic form in part B, 1 plus 2I, 1 plus 2I, and W given in algebraic form, half and root 3 over 2. Half plus root 3 over 2I. Now, if you expand and simplify, keep the first one, 1 plus 2I. When you multiply 2 by this number, cancel 2.5 will be 1 plus root 3 over root 3I. Then multiply, expand, simplify, 1 plus root 3I plus 2I plus 2 root 3I squared. I squared is equal to minus 1. So when it's minus 1, this part will be 1 minus 2 root 3. This is the real part, and root 3 plus 2 all multiplied by I. This is the complex part simplified. Thank you.